Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make a classic potato salad. Okay, for our potato salad we're going to need pickles, celery, chopped celery, eggs, potatoes, mayonnaise, and mustard. Salt and pepper, of course, to taste. Okay, to start with the potato salad, we're going to cut this, our boiled potato, which is not very superly boiled. It's just nice dices, about the size of this dices. So that's how we're going to cut it. You don't want to mash it too much. Bite size like this, so it can actually feel like potato in your mouth, and do that with all the potatoes. Okay, so now we cut all our potatoes. It's bite size. Now I'm gonna cut the eggs the same way. Okay, so very careful. Make the same kind of dices and put the 2 eggs in this mixture, in our potato mixture. Hi there guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. If you have not subscribed to our channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can see all our videos. So let's proceed to make our potato salad. This is the celery. Just put it all together. Then our gherkins, and here is some mayonnaise. You can put enough of mayonnaise so it can envelop the potatoes really fine. And now to add zing to it, little mayonnaise is, little mustard is also good into this, with some now nice fresh pepper to give that kick. And of course, enough salt to taste. And let's mix this all together and we'll have our fantastic potato salad. Okay, yeah, here we are, just ready to mix this. And always, whenever you're making salad, always put it in the fridge and let it sit for half an hour. The reason is, when all this gets mixed into a salad, all those flavors bust out when you keep it nice and chilled. So mix all this well. Okay guys, so we finished making a potato salad. So now we're going to make a favorite hit in our house. It's a potato salad sandwich. And so I'm going to scoop a good amount of this right here. Wow, I love this when I eat this. So take this good amount of it right here, and now put some nice paprika on it. It will give a nice zing and color also to the sandwich. And here's some lettuce. Now here you go, put it right here and cut it. Very simple sandwich. Here you go, beautiful looking sandwich. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!